What are the pros and cons of geoengineering? Have you ever wondered how we can tackle climate change on a large scale? One fascinating approach is geoengineering. This involves making big changes to the Earth's climate system to help reduce the effects of climate change. There are two main types: carbon dioxide removal, which takes carbon dioxide out of the air, and solar radiation modification, which reflects sunlight away from the Earth to cool it down. Let's start with the positives. First, geoengineering could help slow down global warming quickly. By removing greenhouse gases or reflecting sunlight, we might protect ecosystems and communities from extreme climate impacts. Second, geoengineering offers additional tools alongside reducing emissions. This is important because cutting emissions alone may not be enough to meet climate goals. Some methods, like planting trees or improving soils, can also boost biodiversity and soil health while removing carbon. This means that geoengineering could not only help with climate change but also support healthier environments. Additionally, it could provide time for societies to adapt to climate change by temporarily stabilizing temperatures. However, there are also downsides to consider. Many geoengineering techniques are still experimental and not proven to work safely or effectively on a large scale. This means we need to be cautious. Some methods, especially solar radiation modification, might cause unintended side effects like changes in rainfall patterns or harm to ecosystems. Another concern is that relying on geoengineering could reduce the motivation to cut greenhouse gas emissions, which is the root cause of climate change. Governance and ethical questions also arise because geoengineering affects the entire planet and could have unequal impacts on different countries or communities. Lastly, public acceptance may be low, and international agreements would be needed to manage these technologies responsibly. For K-12 students learning geography, geoengineering can be an engaging topic. It connects science, technology, environment, and society. Interactive activities could include debates on whether geoengineering is a good idea, exploring how different methods work, and discussing who should decide if these technologies are used. This approach helps students grasp complex climate issues while considering the balance between human needs and protecting the planet.